Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to edit a PDF file. Firstly, locate the PDF file on your computer and right-click on the file, then select Open With, then Microsoft Edge. The PDF will open in a new Microsoft Edge window along with a menu bar of annotation tools. Select the text you want to highlight, right-click and choose Highlight. Alternatively, click the Highlight tool from the menu bar, pick a color and brush thickness, then highlight the text. Now, click the Draw tool from the menu bar and select the color tool and stroke size. Use your mouse or touch screen to draw anywhere from the PDF and click on the Text tool from the menu bar. Click anywhere in the document where you want to add text. A text menu will appear, allowing you to change the color, size, and letter spacing. Type your text and adjust formatting as needed. Click the Erase tool in the menu bar and drag your cursor over any drawing or text you've added to remove it. Just note, this will not erase the original content of the PDF. Now select the text you want to comment on, right-click and choose Add a Comment if you'd like to add a comment. Now just click Save or Save As from the browser menu to keep your changes. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.